those are kind of the two things to check when your engine won't start. Yeah, so I guess we might need to be replacing the kickstarter. So after everything, I discovered that it was the kick, as I said earlier. So I got a mechanic to help me confirm that. And so guys, as you can see, he's reinstalling the kickstarter, and I hope this works. And also I hope this the tips I've shared in this video help somebody else, because I don't even know why I'm making this video, but I just feel somebody might be stranded somewhere in the middle of nowhere, and the tips I've shared in this video would actually help you just get an idea of what's going on. I'm gonna start the car now to see. Voila.